On the occasion of National Children's Day, which will be celebrated tomorrow, the Department of Social Welfare observed the day today with the theme Beti Bachao Beti Padhao at the District Library Auditorium in Jowai. The celebration was organized by the District Hub Empowerment of Women in collaboration with the District School Education Officer, West Jaintia Hills District, under the theme The Children of Today Will Shape the India of Tomorrow. Addressing the gathering, Jowai MLA Wailatmiki Shilla encouraged the children to start identifying their strengths and potential from a young age so they can pave their own path to success.
I'd like to urge you all, this is high time. This is high time for you. Because now you are in that stage, in that critical and sensitive stage. You are like that iron which is very hot, and we can mold, or you can mold yourself to whatever you like.